Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable IPv6 in your computer in a very simple way. How are you going to do it? Just simply come over into your start icon, simply search for control panel. And then if you find out control panel, if you click on it, then here you're going to get this kind of interface over here. If you didn't know how to get this kind of interface, you just simply come for view by, click on the category and select the category. After that, you need to select on network and internet. If you click on it, then going to get the first option called network and sharing center. If you click on it, then you're going to get the access type connection Ethernet. Internet is Ethernet. So I'm going to click on this Ethernet and going to get an option called properties. Going to click on properties, and then if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out that Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6. Go check in. If you wanted to, then you don't want to check it in, you can simply uncheck it and simply click on OK. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.